Hello, my name is Matthew Strickland. I'm a Senior Market Engagement Manager with the GSMA Agritech team. And today we are talking about digitally enabled agriculture automation solutions, or as they're commonly referred to, smart farming. Although smart farming is nascent technology in many emerging markets, Dialog Axiata in Sri Lanka are actively pursuing automation solutions for the agricultural sector, based on the back of their Internet of Things, or IoT, platform. No strangers to agriculture, Dialog in 2016 launched their Gobi Mithuru service, or Farmer's Friend, which is a direct-to-consumer service providing digital advisory agronomy across a variety of crops in Sri Lanka. This year, they were also awarded an Agritech Innovation Fund grant for the digitization of last mile solutions to improve efficiencies in the interactions between agribusinesses and smallholder farmers. They're also diversifying their product portfolio into smart farming for protected enclosures. I'm joined today by Srinath Vijayakumara, who's the product manager from their sustainability team, who's going to talk to us a little bit more about their smart farming activities. So Srinath, firstly, can you help us define smart farming?
Yes, I would say smart farming means using sensors, drones, satellite, and other farm machines to generate and transmit data about a specific crop, animal, practices to support agriculture activities. That relies on IoT connectivity between devices to optimize production process and growth conditions.
What are the challenges that farmers in Sri Lanka are facing, and how can smart farming technology or solutions support breaking down those challenges?
Yeah, our number one issue is changes in weather patterns. Traditional farmers totally based on the rain patterns. We call it seasons. We have 2 seasons in Sri Lanka. If the rain delays, farm will not able to start the cultivation. Or if the rain above normal, the crop will damage. Or the second issue is the pest and disease. We lost about 40% of our crop due to pest and diseases. But protected cultivation is helping lower these risks. Protected cultivation is used primarily by advanced farmers. We can call them progressive farmers. They grow high-value, fast-moving crops like mushroom, chili varieties, and cucumber varieties. Without automated solution, these farmers are forced to use manual operated exhaust fans, misters, foggers, and drip irrigation lines to control enclosure environment.
So all these phrases, new technology, smart farming, IoT, it all sounds quite expensive. How are Dialog approaching the problem of keeping this affordable for smallholder farmers?
Our agritech team has set 3 objectives to drive design process of its smart farming solution. Affordable hardware, the use of Sri Lanka specific agronomic data model, and a strong after-sale customer service. We started our smart farming journey with aim to develop low-cost IoT-enabled sensors and actuators for protected enclosure that enable farmers to automate, monitor, and control farm activities by using smartphone app. For example, as humidity in enclosure drops below defined threshold, the farmer gets an alert on his smartphone and misters in the enclosure are automatically turned on. Farmer can also choose to only receive alerts and triggers the resulting action. In this case, turning on misters manually, the same logic applies to temperature and nutrient control also.
So, great. So how does smart farming fit into Dialog's wider organizational strategy and growth plans?
Yeah, Sri Lanka has agriculture-centric economy. Over 25% of our workforce active in agriculture sector. Our strategy focus on both agriculture and IoT. Smart farming emerged as a promising use case which addresses identifiable user needs. This has a strong revenue potential also. This is important to us because of this will allow us to diversify our agritech offering and increase the adaptation of our IoT platforms. Our research with partner universities show that improved humidity control, temperature, irrigation, and fertigation resulting from automation could bring up to 50% increased yields.
And so have you got any trials underway at the moment or any early results that you'd be able to share with us?
Yes, we started our trials in 2018. We partnered with University of Ruhuna and University of Moratuwa, developing these models and do the trials. During the initial research, we found out that this solution will increase over 40% yield.
Fantastic. That's great. Thank you so much, Srinath. So we're really looking forward to keeping tabs with how these trials continue and progress. Also in parallel with the work that we're doing on the last mile agricultural digitization. If anyone's interested in learning more about smart farming, then please visit the GSMA Agritech website. We've got a recent report, the Digital Agriculture Maps, that we've just published, which has got some extensive analysis on the smart farming space globally. So thank you very much for joining. Srinath, thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.